Inside the mind's eye, aphantasia and the spectrum of visualization. Have you ever closed your eyes and pictured a loved one's face or a picturesque landscape? For some, this act of visualization is as clear as an HD photograph, while for others, it's an empty cinema. Welcome to the world of aphantasia, a phenomenon where individuals cannot voluntarily conjure up visual mental images. Many with congenital aphantasia realize this peculiarity quite late in life because this visualization deficit doesn't handicap their daily life. Contrast this with hyperphantasics who visualize with an extraordinary, almost book-like precision. Researchers share a riveting insight. While aphantasics can't picture their loved ones in their minds, they can still describe them. This suggests that visual information is stored, albeit differently. What's at the root of aphantasia? Perceptual deficits, or maybe a slight hiccup in accessing sensations? To probe deeper, researchers designed a unique test called the Imagination Perception Battery. This test evaluates the relationship between perception and mental imagery through various visual qualities. In the experiment, participants stared at a blank screen. An off-screen voice would give them a visual cue and two concepts to visualize. For instance, picturing a beaver and a fox, when prompted with the word shape. While aphantasics processed visual information slightly slower than others, their perception and conceptual association were on par with the rest. What's the reasoning behind this delay? Aphantasics exhibit a subtle defect in what's termed phenomenal consciousness. They process visual elements like shapes and colors but don't translate into conscious visual experiences. Instead, they might use cognitive strategies like mental checklists to remember visual details. Despite some limitations, this exploration offers a promising path to decode our mental imagery. With continued research, we could uncover the neural intricacies of visualization and offer relief to individuals, like PTSD sufferers, who grapple with intrusive mental images. Take a moment the next time you visualize a sunset or a friend's face. Appreciate how our minds process, store, and retrieve these images. Because, in the vast spectrum of visualization, every mind paints its own portrait. Do you experience aphantasia? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.